Aloha. When I saw this photo of a 2020 convertible, same color as my car, and I saw the nacelles were in carbon flash. Nacelle is just a word that means housing for the mechanicals for the retractable hardtop. I thought I wanted a graphic similar to that. So I ordered some 3M vinyl, but this time I wanted it to stand out from the rest of the graphics on my car. So I got something called Gloss Galaxy Black, and it's a wrap and it's got multicolored sparkles in it. And I redesigned the graphic a little bit, but I really like the way that it looks. And when my new spoiler gets here to tie it all in, I think when I paint it torch red, I'm gonna make the dual stripes out of this vinyl, and that will tie it into the car. Anyways, I would have done this outside, but it's raining today. But this should be the last graphic that goes on my car. I don't want to do too much, but I think it looks perfect now with all the changes I've made. My next video will be outside explaining all the different things I've done. Anyway, aloha and stay safe.